Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to set up an Amazon household. Start by opening Amazon and signing into your account. Once you are signed in, move your mouse to the top right of the screen and open the menu called Accounts and Lists. From the list of options, select your account. When the account page opens, scroll until you see the Amazon Household section. Click on it to continue. On the Amazon Household page, you will see three options. You can add an adult, add a teen, or add a child. If you want to share Prime benefits with another adult, click the Add Adult button. Amazon will give you two choices. You can send the other person an invitation by email, or you can sign in together on the same device to confirm both accounts. After the adult accepts the invite, Amazon will ask if you want to share payment methods and Prime benefits. Approve these settings to finish the setup. Once your household members are added, you can choose what to share. Go to the Content Sharing or Family Library section. There you can select which items to share, such as ebooks, apps, games, or Prime Video. You can return to this page anytime to change the settings. This is how you set up Amazon Household. Thanks for watching.